Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, we've got some dreary skies out there. That's kind of nice because we can have the door up and not disturb nor be disturbed. But I wanted to give you a quick update as to how things are going with me and with the channel and all that stuff. Some of you have sent some well wishes, which were well received. Thank you very much. I know it's kind of strange to have people on the internet comment about things like that, but it really does mean a lot. You know, it's nice to know that someone at least found a few seconds in their day to, you know, wish me well. That's really cool. So thanks, guys. So my back has been improving, getting around fine, back at work now, all that good stuff. If you're curious, the replacement part for that walking stick did come just in time for me to no longer need it. But the company, you know, honored their word. That was cool. So if you want one of those, buy them from those guys, I guess. So physically, doing better. However, I've also suffered a pretty large personal loss in the last week. Really, the last 2 weeks have just been really just rough on me. Probably, I'm really not going to say any more about that, except to say that it's hard to stay motivated and get focused on getting back out in the shop and get things done. So again, the support you guys have shown has really been meaningful to me, and thank you again. With that said, though, personal loss or not, the show must go on. I try to be a guy that, you know, doesn't get dissuaded easily, I guess. We start a project or we start things, try and finish them. You know, if looking around, you're going to see, you know, half-broken stuff everywhere. So that's maybe counterintuitive, but anyhow, back at it now. Going to be taking it slower. Try not to hurt myself. I've got Saddington here supervising some new Jeep parts that I'm going to be opening up soon here. I actually have had them for weeks, and I think I'm just barely maybe within the return window if these aren't the right things, so I need to open them up and check them out. But just wanted to check in quick and let you guys know what was going on, and also give you a little bit more maybe inside baseball for YouTuber kind of stuff. Not that I'm an authority, you know, with my incredibly small channel and such so far, but in my absence of making new content, my views and watch time really didn't decrease. It's completely weird. I've also gotten, I think, 2 or 3 new subscribers during that period of time where I made no content at all, and people have stumbled into stuff that's already out there and decided to subscribe, or maybe an old comment I left somewhere that said, hey, I did a video on this thing or whatever. So that's awesome. You know, that welcome new people, glad to have you. But it's just really strange that on my end, you know, I'm a guy out by himself in his garage, you know, doing stupid stuff and, you know, trying not to make myself look like too much of an idiot on the internet. But on your end, you know, this is another content provider, another channel or whatever that's out there in the ether, growing on its own and doing its own thing. It's not self-aware, but it's self-conscious. You know what I mean? So it's a really cool phenomenon. So it's awesome that people are finding this stuff and that people are enjoying it, and I hope we keep growing like we have and start building this community up, and you guys that are younger or just starting out and looking to learn stuff, hopefully we get some wrenches in your hands. There's some content I want to make along those lines, some more tool reviews and things I mentioned last time, things that are a little less stressful for my back, but at the same time I don't want you guys to miss out on the fun either, you know, of getting things done. So we'll have to weigh all that out. But anyway, that's the quick channel update. All in all, things are going just fine with the channel and with my health, but we've had some other setbacks and it's hard to stay motivated, but I'll try. So we'll see how it goes. I know I need to do some painting and things on things, and that takes forever, so we'll see. Anyway, we'll catch you next time, guys. See ya. This is Saddington Bear. He's our channel mascot and project supervisor, and he would like you to know I try to make a project video every week. You might be interested in some of these other videos. Take a look and let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching. Really appreciate it.